What's up, YouTube fam? We back with this car, and we got some other stuff finna go on. First off, I'm gonna tell y'all what we got going on in the future. Y'all remember that white Mustang I used to work on, that convertible? Probably not. I might show it to you a little later on. That's a new project. I'm finna rebuild it, get it all back together, get that shit back on the road with a whole lot of stuff. It's finna be a whole big swap. For this car right here, we got, it's back there looking good. I ain't been home like 3 weeks. We finna do the front splitter, which is we gonna put a Ross front splitter. Then we gonna do the quad tips in the back, but we ain't got the quad tip exhaust. We probably gonna go dumps. So I just did the Valens, and it's probably gonna look real good back there, and I know it's gonna look real good up there. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like now, cause the front is sad a little bit, bro. It's sad. It's drooping and shit. That ain't how it's supposed to be. Then the back falling off. That ain't how it's supposed to be. I'll be selling the back piece stuff if anybody want it. I'm finna get the camera set up, and we finna get it work. Right, you can see this the back. See how it's sagging right there? It may be the bumper or how I cut it or something. Like, I don't know. It just sags. I don't like that. All right, so let's do a slight unpackaging of both pieces. Show y'all what it look like. This was in a box, but my grandma took it out. It don't come with screws, but that's kind of what I already have. I don't know if y'all can see that. Pretty good quality compared to what I got. What I got is flimsy as shit. Now I show y'all, and it comes 3 pieces, the other piece. Let's set that right there. It's crazy, none of these pieces come with bolts. It'll hold up good though. It's not all the tabs and shit. See how it bolted it. Oh yeah. That's great quality. And this is the Ford one. It's OEM Ford. OEM Ford, you know what I'm saying? If y'all can see that or not. Got a tab right there to clip, got a tab there, got the one there, and all the clips intact. They thick, they not flimsy. I'm finna get the camera on the back bumper. We finna try to get this on, cause I know I don't have no way to hook this or this, but we gonna figure it out. I'm probably gonna do dumps, but this diffuser right here really didn't like. It looks good, but I like the quad tip diffuser a little better. And if I end up doing quad tips, I already had a diffuser. See what I'm saying? This one ain't fit. It fit good. It just got that dent there. And I guess the tabs ain't as thick. But I don't know. It ain't got as many pieces. You ain't got all that. It was cut off. Probably gonna have to cut this one off. I ain't got no way to bump. Let's go. So we ended up taking the front bump off. We got all these little pins down the bottom. Cheap. see that, but look how it's bent. Hey, the whole middle like sad. And it cracked. Look how that look up front, man. It ain't bent no more. It don't look freaking sad. It's flush, and it just look good. A lot better. So, this back part, I gotta do some cutting for, which I'm gonna do later. Right now, I gotta do an oil pan, gas, transmission gasket, and brakes on my work truck. So, I'm about to go ahead and start on that. Try to get that done before it get too late in the day, because I do got to get back to Atlanta for work tomorrow. So we finna try to get everything done, man, and I'll be back later on. So that's the finished product for the rear. I can't wait to do quads, man. I really want to do dumps, but that look good. That look damn good. This is what the front look like. Look way better. I got to close the hood. I'm actually about to take it off. But as you can see, it don't droop no more. That's a great product, man. That Roush front splitter, definitely a good product. I recommend it. All right, so that's it for this video. I'm out, man. I'm finna go get this thing sprayed off, washed up. I gotta put a crankshaft sensor in it, and I'm finna go get that from the store now. Then I do a slick walk around with y'all just to show y'all what it look like. Everything look sort of kind of clean. This sun is killing me, but catch me next video, man. I'm out.